Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today just quick unboxing of this Allegro Accu battery duo. Power cell. You'll see how it looks like. It's cost just 20 euro, less than 20 euro, included delivery. Should looks fine. Yeah, that's box, nice packaging. To be fair, bits on this Accu is like nothing. It's like bonus over there, but mainly it's with electric. But for 20 euro, less than 20 euro, I think should be fine. Okay, let's open it. Okay, side. Here we go. That's what we have. Okay. Looks nice. Yeah. Looks amazing, really nice build quality, heavy, and really for 20 quid I already like it. It's not bad. And I will also show you what we have here. We have some bits, battery charger, second battery, and other tools. Hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this unboxing from Frog Tech Tips. See you later, alligator.